Have you ever wondered if premium fuel is really necessary for your Jaguar? With gas prices constantly changing, more and more people are asking themselves if they can save a little at the pump by switching to regular fuel. The short answer is yes. Jaguar engineers recommend using premium fuel for a reason. Today we'll explain why using premium fuel matters in your Jaguar vehicle. So what does premium fuel mean? Premium fuel refers to gasoline with a higher octane rating, typically 91 octane or higher. The octane rating measures the fuel's resistance to premature combustion, also known as engine knock. Now, why Jaguar recommends premium fuel? Jaguar engines are engineered for performance, efficiency, and smooth power delivery. Many models feature turbocharged or supercharged engines with higher compression ratios that are typically designed to run on premium gasoline. Premium fuel allows the engine to produce power the way Jaguar intended, while helping maintain smooth acceleration and responsive performance. But what happens if you use regular gas? Most modern Jaguar vehicles have sensors that can detect a lower octane fuel and automatically adjust engine timing to help protect the engine. While this helps prevent damage, it can also lead to reduced engine performance, slower acceleration, lower fuel efficiency, and less responsive driving. You may not notice a dramatic difference during everyday driving, but your Jaguar won't perform at its full potential. Now, is it bad to use regular gas? If you've accidentally filled your Jaguar with regular gasoline once, there's generally no need to panic. Modern engine management systems are designed to compensate temporarily. However, consistently using lower octane fuel than recommended can reduce performance and isn't the best long-term choice for your Jaguar. If you're unsure which fuel your Jaguar requires, check your owner's manual or ask your service advisor. Using the correct fuel is one of the simplest ways to protect your investment. If you have any questions about your Jaguar's maintenance, fuel recommendations, or service schedule, contact Jaguar Naperville Authorized Service and schedule an appointment today.